guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I did my own spring twists. I love these things. This is my first time doing them, and first time having them actually, and they're so lightweight. I love that I added the color, and they're easy breezy. It's cute, it's bomb, it's perfect for this spring and summer weather. Like, I love it, y'all. So stay tuned so y'all can see exactly how I did these. So what I'm doing here is separating the individual pieces of the pack and equally separating them into two pieces, which is what I'll be using to do my individual twists. So here's another example of individual piece. You'll see me divide it, find the middle of this section, divide it into two, and just place it on the hair rack for me to use later. So I already parted off my hair. I used Shine Jam to slick down my roots to make sure they look nice and neat. And I also use the Shine Jam to lay down any of my natural hair so that it doesn't stick out of the twist. At the roots of my hair, I do start off with as a box plait. I find it easy to start off this way when you're doing spring twists. And I typically just plait down about maybe 4 or 5 times at the max. And you'll see me use a clip to hold down the hair so that when I start to twist, the hair doesn't twist at the roots, which can be very painful. So here I'm placing that blue clip on the plait so that you'll see it doesn't turn around and twist at the roots. Again, that can be very painful. If it does twist at the roots, then you'll see me fix the actual clip because I cannot stand when the roots hurt. And again, I put the Shine Jam on my hair, my natural hair, so it can lay down and not stick out of the twist, because you are going to want the twist to look as natural as possible and as neat as possible. I also do separate my real hair and just place a piece on each side of the twist of the hair that I'm twisting, the 2-strand twist, just so that it can seamlessly blend, and also it gives it a better chance of not sticking out once you're done with the actual spring twist. I hope that makes sense. The way that I twist the hair, I just do the regular 2-strand twist. There's no special way that I do it. I make sure that I'm twisting tight though. The tighter you twist, the better the twist will come out, and it will be springy and it won't be super duper loose, because you want to have a nice spring twist look, I should say. And you'll see me do the little pull-up method just to make sure that as I'm twisting, I kind of like pull both ends of the hair to make sure that the twist is as tight as possible. And I hope that makes sense, you guys. It gets a little harder to do it once you get to the end of the hair, because the end of the hair, it does thin out, but still try your best to keep twisting nice and tight so that when you're done, it's still nice. It doesn't unravel. That's the point. You definitely do not want it to unravel. And then I just clip off the excess in that dry looking curl, because if you don't take that off, it could look very dry at the end, especially when you have color. So just going to show you guys one more time. So again, we start off with the Shine Jam to lay down our roots to make sure they're nice and slick down. The twist hair I just showed you, you want to make sure that it's even on both sides and not uneven when you do start the actual twist, which again, we're starting off with the box braid at the root, braid down about 4 or 5 times, and then put a clip on so that this bad boy does not twist around at the roots and hurt your head, because that can be very painful. And no, we're not tender-headed over here, but we still want to not hurt our head, you know? And again, the best way to get the best result is to twist as tight as possible all the way down. pull the twist a little bit just to make sure that you are getting the tightest twist possibly you can, all the way down to the end, so that when you let loose of the twist, it doesn't unravel completely, but it leaves you with a nice spring twist, and that is the results that we absolutely want. And lastly, I always suggest that you clip off that dry curl at the end so that it can look as nice and neat as possible. Guys, so the hair that I use to do this lovely spring twist hairstyle is Outray's Expressions hair. And it says it's specifically perfect for spring twist and bomb twist is what they have on the pack. This is their twisted up hair, and it comes with 3 different bundles inside. I use a total of 4.5 bundles to do my whole head, and this is a 16-inch that I have. This color was pretty. They did have some other colors as well, and blends of hair that you can use. Of course, they have just your regular your 1, 2, your 1B, you know, colors as well in the bundle. So it comes with, you see these little curls? It comes with a total of 10 to 11 in each bundle. So what you'll see I do is I separate the piece and make it into 2, and both of those pieces I use for, you know, 1 twist basically. I will add that this hair was very manageable and very easy to use. It did not like tangle and irritate me and get on my nerves, which is a down for me. Like, I've used a tons of different kind of hair before because I do braids and stuff like that on my own hair and other people's hair, and I don't like the hair that's too harsh and too hard to manage, you know. So this hair is my first time using it, and I definitely recommend it if you're going to do spring twist. And I believe they're nice and full. So I'm going to show you guys the back. And then the parts, you can see that I didn't do very tiny parts. And I feel like it's nice and full. Even when I put it up or wear it all down, like, it's nice and full. I love this length. And this is, I'm 16. I got the, where it says that? Right here. The 16 inches is what I have. And the color, so you guys can see, is 2T1B27. So this is, it may look backwards on your thing, but I'll link this below. Amazon does sell it, Amazon Prime. They have a lot of different colors, so you guys can use my links below and purchase it. I'll definitely put all the information in the description box. And I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed. Stay safe out there, y'all. Peace out.